Let us see the continuity of the function. At x equal to 0, function is x only. So f0 equal to 0 and limit x tends to 0 of fx is 0. Here both values are same. Limit x tends to 0 of fx equal to f0. Therefore, function is continuous at x equal to 0. Now, that it is the first part. Second part. Now, let's check at x equal to 1. At x equal to 1. So, here we will find both the limit, left hand limit and right hand limit. So, let us find the left hand limit. Limit x tends to, because at the left of 1 function is x and at right of 1 function is 5. So let us find left hand limit at, it is 1 minus h, h tends to 0, function fx, it is limit x tends to 1 minus h, h tends to 0, function is x, so it is 1 minus h, limit h tends to 0, it is 1 minus 0 is 1. And right hand limit is 5. Right hand limit at x equal to 1 equal to 5. Since these both limits are not equal, therefore function is not continuous at x equal to 1. Now let's check the continuity at x equal to 2. At x equal to 2, function is 5. At x equal to 2, fx is a constant function, is constant. So its limiting value, limit x tends to 2 fx is 5 and value is also 5. Both things are equal. Limiting value, since limiting value limit x tends to 2 fx equal to f2. Therefore, function is continuous. Function is continuous at x equal to 2. It is not continuous at x equal to 1, but it is continuous at x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. Now next is question number 7. Here fx equal to mod x plus 3 when if x is less than equal to minus 3 and it is minus 2x when x is less than 3 and greater than minus 3 and it is 6x plus 2 if x is greater than equal to 3. Find all the point of discontinuity of the function. Question is find all the points of discontinuity. Discontinuity of f. where f is given by this. So here, first of all, we will find the left hand limit at x equal to minus 3. Left hand limit at x equal to minus 3. It is limit x tends to minus 3 minus h of fx, where h tends to 0, is limit x tends to minus 3 minus h tends to 0, fx is mod x plus 3. Then limit h tends to 0, it is mod minus 3 minus h plus 3. Then putting h equal to 0, so mod minus 3 plus 3 is 3 plus 3 is 6. So here left hand limit is 6. Now let us find right hand limit at x equal to minus 3. There is limit x tends to minus 3 plus h tends to 0. Function is minus 2x. It is minus 2 minus 3 plus h tends to 0. It is minus 3 minus 2 into minus 3 plus 0, which is 6. And let's find the value of function also. F minus 3. It is minus 3 mod plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Since all the values, left hand limit, right hand limit and value of function, they all are equal here. F minus 3. They all are equal, therefore function is continuous at x equal to minus 3. Then check at x equal to 3. Now we will check the continuity at x equal to 3. Now let us check the continuity at x equal to 3. At x equal to 3. So let us find left hand limit equal to limit x tends to 3 minus h tends to 0 of fx is limit h tends to 0. Function is 2 into x. Then minus 2 into 3 minus h, limit h tends to 0. It is minus 2, 3 minus 0 is minus 6. So left hand limit is minus 6. Then right hand limit x tends to 3 plus h tends to 0 of fx. It is limit 3 plus h tends to 0 and function is 6x plus 2. Then it is 6 into 3 plus h plus 2 and limit h tends to 0. It is 6, 3 plus 0 plus 2, it is 18 plus 2 is 20. Since left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit at x equal to 3, therefore function is not continuous at x equal to 3. So point of discontinuity is only x equal to 3 and rest of the point it is continuous. Modulus function is continuous everywhere. It is algebraic function, right? Linear function is continuous everywhere. This is also linear function, so it is continuous everywhere. So only one point, that is x equal to 3, is the point of discontinuity. Point of discontinuity. This is the answer.